Is it time for my wings? I always thought I'd be flying by now. Here under the water, I've lived out the years, but up to the surface, I'm climbing now. Transformation is coming. Regeneration for one who will fly, 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 take to the sky, expanding and longing to breathe. I'll break through the ceiling, holding